Yes, boss. Yeah, man. Me a forward, you know. If I work, I work. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my plan. I'm just a hard-working man. Boss, you better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing. I know me nah thief. Me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday ya come on, me want cook mutton. Just a hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my plan. I'm just a hard-working man. Boss, you better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing. I know me nah thief. Me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday ya come on, me want cook mutton. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, me have my plan. I'm just a hard-working man. No thief. Me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Be me come me have my plan. Nobody give me peace. Please don't diss me. Because me never do the work in a pieces. Please don't make me go drop with the team.
Boy, I ain't even forward yet.
Bossy, me there, man. Me there, bossy. Yeah, boss.
Big man, our time now. Me want you tell me our time now. You see, these are the insubordinate things that we deal with, you know. And then when you come and pressure man for pay. Eh? Or if you want pay, then even turn up for work on time.
Boss,
Tell me how you work it out.
Boss, at 4:03 now, and you say me if you reach at 4 o'clock. See? And...
That means you have 3 minutes in my time. You should have there work already.
Alright. Me understand that, boss, and the second time I'm sorry, sir. You not again, boss. But
Second time, third time, then it turn on a habit. Then you start come when you feel like, and then I come tell me say you want pay, and then all these little things. I'm telling me, what the young man are these days, you know.
boss,
What with them?
Boss, listen me say no. Remember say yesterday say me I get the pay, you know. I'm done over the
You
place.
see what I'm talking about?
And now today.
You're not even coming on time, but you still have come about pay. Eh? Or if you come about pay, you ain't even there on time. You see, the 3 minutes where you forward, you say if it did come 3 minutes earlier, would have make me go link the man, you know. But the man said me never bother to come link him because he must say me late.
But bossy, it's unfair if you know say I show you my situation, I lay them on the table and I tell you say I have a situation to deal with certain things and you still it's like you're interested for me get no money none at all. To do nothing at all and you know I tell me I'm a situation with my daughter now and she's sick and all these things. But I don't know if you consider them something, but hold on. You know a man named Mr. Brown?
What you know about Mr. Brown?
You know, I ask if you know a man named Mr. Brown. Because I want to put 1 and 3 together, you know. Because the day when I have me wait up by site there, and you know, forward until 1 hour time. Mr. Brown went forward and say like,
You ask me?
He might ask for you, yes, you ain't come to. But he must say, are you in give the work them to deal with certain things and in pay you on time. So that work how you go up on to that, Mr. Brown work?
Mr. Brown tell us him pay me on time?
Yeah, man. So, so all them work they go up on, and Mr. Brown pay you, you mean?
I work, you come for work, I come for inquire in people's business.
No, I just want to get some money even to the boss. Cause
but me don't say because you're 3 minutes late, big man, you make the man gone. So now I don't know which part I go find this man if I go collect the money.
So you tell me I'm not get the money today?
I never said that.
So what you said then, sir?
Simply I say, you not get it until you start do some work. No, I go if you go deal with some work right now, you them there, so sit down and talk to me. I work if you just go deal with some work, and then when you done some work, I carry some funds come give you. Because what are you going to do now? Because you send me on a wild goose chase, now I have to go surface these people here. And try to figure out which part I go there within the next 2 or 3 hours time. And then say I can collect the money. And then you know him going to say to me, he going to say why I never collect it from him earlier, but I couldn't go collect it, I never did there. I couldn't go show a front. I did want you on spot. I'm going to collect the money. But no, you never there now. You see it how you look now.
Alright,
You make me look like the bad person.
Alright.
Big man, shake up, man. I work, you come, man, and stop what you work.
Alright, you're messing up, boss. So today, we say, what we do today? Cause
Me have a house more I will paint.
paint.
Yeah. Me have a nice look house more I will paint, you know. The color look wash out and thing. I want to get a facelift. I did a facelift. A nice look to what? Two bedroom house, 2 bathroom, living room, kitchen, and I want both house. So it's not supposed to hard to sort out.
Alright, boss, we go deal then if I solve the case. Come ready, you know?
You have your tools?
No, boss.
Jesus Christ, this is what I'm talking about. And then when I draw money out of your pay, you complain to me not give you right money. Then I have to collect for me tool them. You're late, plus you not a tool and me have to buy tool gear. Come on, no big man. By the time I don't calculate them or something, me a lose, you know.
Alright, boss. Just do the deduction.
And you say you want money for take care of your people. You have to work 3 times and 4 times overtime to get the money. You can't work one look at day and think say you go get good money. You have to work all 2 months and even but watch nothing.
Alright, boss.
Until you don't work now, you can step to me and say, oh boss, you know, see me have 2 months under the belt. And then when you see the food, you go say, John, don't start. Yeah, me see what me I work for. But you can't work 2 weeks and think say, oh, you go get big money, big man. So you say, ready for go do some work?
Yes, boss.
And when I say do some work, you know what I mean? You
Yes,
know.
boss.
Yeah, but the way you think, say, you think I work you come in, you think I look you come for look, yeah? How about the things you go do?
I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my grind. I'm just a hard-working man. Boss, you better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing. I know me nah thief, me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday I come on, me want cook mutton. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, me have my grind.
I was his boss.
Yeah, man. Alright. So you don't know, I want you to deal with the cantilever, deal with all of the underneath the stuff. And boss, I want you to do a good job, you know. You don't play thing, you know.
What, boss? Every work you see me do, you know, I always do proper.
You know you always do a good job, yes. But watch out now, I just can't afford for you to mess up. Because this year now, I get good money for it. I mean, the man them a ball about the pay. So you don't know, I never did collect such a good money off it. So you don't know, say, oh, if we do a good job, we might get something. And if you do it in a record time, we might get something extra.
Yeah, man, I do it fast, man. Start it proper
so,
right now.
You did say you're not a tool, though?
No, I'm not a tool, boss.
Cha-cha. All right.
Fast, we are rain, come now.
Shut up. I'm not giving much resources, you know, but I know you can do it with this, you know. You can paint the whole house inside and outside with this. So you use this and paint inside and outside. And if none left over, you don't know, you brush up the step right at front, yeah, so. Where you look on the paint, Safa?
I found when you get that paint, boss.
Don't worry about what I want to the man. Don't worry about that.
Paint can expire.
A good. Which part? Hey, look here, man. I work you come for work, I watch you work.
No, boss, really, but the next thing is, I never see you come with the...
Yeah, man. See brush, man.
This a boss?
Wait, what? One can do it. Alright, use 2 then. Yo, I make sure you put them back together. You know? Yo, watch you now. I'm teach you a look a trick. You say if you want the thing spread properly, evenly properly, you tape up them together. You have shoes lace, you pull out your shoes lace and you wrap it round. Wrap it tight so they don't shift. And then when you go through, you go... Come on, need to tell you all of that, because you don't say you're professional already and everything, you see me? So me know so you know what to do. Hey, and you say if you done this fast and quick, you don't know me have a thing for you later on, nobody worry about nothing, you see me? But here what am I gonna do? I'm gonna run go link, I go and go check the say me link the man and get the something.
Yes,
and when I get the something, you don't know you're good. Alright? Just deal with it.
Well, what kind of situation, you know what kind of situation is it?
Yeah. And if you want no food there, you know, just say if you get something. I'm trying to get a bull and a bag juice for you up the road here.
Bull and bag juice, boss?
Big man, I walk you come for walk, you know. Hey, take this thing off. Che. You know, boss now do them something, you know? And me, I look out for you and I give you food, you know? Sure. Oh, go on, my baby.
Yeah.
God, I have to come give my girl a hug, you know. Come on. So, me no miss me?
Yes. Sure.
Yes, sir. Sure.
I do it right.
I not do the right. You mean, man, I not do the right, babes?
But I come and get here iPhone 15.
Baby, it's a work in progress, man. Just cool, man. You know, must know say me I go give you the phone already, man. Don't worry about that, man. I want to tell me I work on it, man. Even right now.
How come I can't get it?
But baby, you know you pressure me, you know. Just understand me, no, man.
Well, look how long.
Just
How much
you
weeks?
not believe in me.
Yes.
Then work with me now if you believe in me. What you know, man? Valentine's Day nah pass.
I hope it not pass.
Valentine's Day nah pass, baby. I want to you. I want to make you and do some nice little things and you don't know. I can carry a champagne and chocolate and roses and the
I want
iPhone
to see.
15, 16 Pro Max Plus.
I want to see.
If I going to see them, baby, I'm not always come true.
Mm.
Eh? Daddy Mark's not always come true for you.
So right now, you have to go take me serious.
I'm not take you
As
serious.
of from now to the day.
You see, all where I go on and you think say me there I go around you. I just leave out, get a nice work up here, so. As me get the money so a year and me I come put it in. Right now the work where I go on a year money.
I will see it.
Yeah, man, the man I work right now hard up there and you I get all of the money, baby girl. You don't have to worry about nothing, man. I want to you.
Alright.
I'm a baby, you know. So I make you invite me in.
No, not yet.
Jesus Christ. You did me so.
Well, time I get something on my hand, me go. You can come in. Right?
Jesus Christ. I say
Well,
you
time I
did.
start to get something from out of your pocket. You can come in. Later, have a nice day.
You really say I did, my baby.
Yes.
My Twitter Fanita. My Benzita. Crystal.
How you call me out as a fan? I want you.
Yeah, Brandy. Boy, I don't know if I curse this or what, but... Brandy, I walk today. Today out of all of the day them
You smell a paint, so.
That me go tell them, me tell you what going on, Brandy.
All in your fingernail have painting there. You did that do painting?
Yeah, man. Brandy, the man, that a few friend.
Mm-hmm.
Here me go pound work. If you go paint one house. And me tell the man say me not on tool. The man give me a tin of paint, one whole tin of paint, but I don't know for which house but I mean take it out of. And the man go take out toothbrush. Toothbrush me paint for me use paint the house with. And the man give me toothbrush.
Toothbrush? What do
Toothbrush.
you mean toothbrush? You smell him out? He might pass in place now with you.
You have to try disrespect me in a
I no
serious time.
disrespect.
How what then?
Me not disrespect you.
Hmm?
Listen to me, bro. If the man give you paint and toothbrush, not painting brush, where man a try say to you? What you think say?
You must have one thing.
A dirty man a say. He man a
No,
diss you
nothing.
and a me that diss you, me no smell your mouth. Me know you always brush your teeth. The man a diss you big time, you know see?
But how you give me toothbrush to paint house? Hmm?
Me figure?
You know how you me talk about.
Oh.
But me I say you know how hard it take me to even clean up myself and nobody get no splash and sitting. Cause every time we go up and walk, man, tell me where we are go. But that is not the problem. Me need some money, Brandy. I know him man not give me no money. I'm tell him man say my daughter went sick. I God make me have to get some bush and sitting. I'm busy and great tight and she get back together a little bit.
What you say? He no pay you?
No, he no pay. He no give me no
You see
money.
right you know? Me I think something about that man there. Me know him long time. I'm not telling no lie. I'm a friend for years, but you are my brother. Blood thicker than water. And him a diss you too much. I know say you is an honest youth. You are my brother. We are same mama, same papa. And me can't make sake a friend. Me and you split apart so. Like we are stranger. Me know what me I go do. Me know what me I do. You see, anytime you forget pay again, just call me on my phone maybe about 10 minutes before you get paid.
It's not like some I get paid. You talk about get paid.
Any day you work and you know say that day that you forget pay.
Every day me forget pay, but me not get none at all.
One day then, ask him for your money. And he not give you. Line me up for come listen and take in everything because me go to the man. And the man tell me say, no go sign no you no money, he give you every money. Just call me about 10 minutes before me tell you already. Me not go make him see me. Me I go hide and me I go video him and take in everything what him say. And then me not go left and go same time. Me don't go away and maybe come back the next day and go to him and ask him how you work and go on like me no know and tell him say a long time me no see you and 1% thing. And me I go video him and take in everything what him do and the next day me go back to him.
Sister, me know you mad, you know kill him.
No, me not do him nothing. Me just want to know say the boy nah pay you for true.
Me need some money, man. Me need me pay because I want more.
So me I go use me head. Me now go show him the video the same day, you know. Me go use me head for him and borrow some money from him. The same amount of money when you owe you for every day where you work
get your face then.
You understand? Me I go borrow that from him. And you see me go making the ask me for him money till one day, you know. Me I tell him say see amount of money where you owe me, brother. And it me come borrow from you. And when in the start chat, how you know where you not me just show him the video. Making shame like dog because a be a lie man tell me. The man saying pay you every day.
Yeah, that the man tell you for true.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Sister, respect him. Tomorrow, when me I go up on the job, I call you from the left out. Yeah?
Alright.
Now we talk.
Alright.
Alright.
Don't worry yourself about that dirty boy there.
If I work, I work. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes,
Serve.
I'm just a hard-working
Serve.
What you want?
No, I want something there. More I want bun, I want sachets, I want a day. You know that they look a fresh milk.
Alright.
Hurry up, Tuka. Right now, I'm hungry, you know. I'm not like wait too long for things. Oh.
Box milk. No box milk.
You know, man.
Peanut punch. You want orange juice?
Me tell a box milk lady, you mean by orange juice?
Me not have no orange, me not have none of that. Me have orange juice and peanut
Then
punch
the
and
box
supper
milk
juice.
that
Then after one cool on you say, girl, where you come with the attitude self for? Which one of them you want? Because me have to pay current bill, you know.
Uno have no manners to no customer them. Uno.
You want your
Uno
what you want?
shopkeeper.
What you want, girl?
It's either you go sell me or you make me go on.
What you need?
I need the box milk.
Oh, you want the hot one? Okay.
Watch out, she not even know she put the box milk
No,
there.
me shop full up of things. Me have to look for you something there. I want you.
Lady, me hungry, you know. It's either you go move fast.
Want to you this tea, man. Want to you today. Here it is.
Hungry woman is a hungry woman, thank you. So how much is this here?
$850.
I trust you.
No, me can't go down and Mr. Chin go tell him say.
I trust me.
No want this with us. No. Me ain't no friend then kind of way the girl. Don't do it. Come.
But I said 850, I'm not care so much money for me.
But I trust you come and me shop, I trust and then I have so much attitude. But you brighty. No man. Shell, Jesus Christ. No girl, you have to go pay fee. This is business. Me can't go down and Mr.
Hello,
Chin
me
shop.
never bring no money for me to understand that.
What's happening here?
The lady walk out because me trust one bun and one milk for her. See she has take back his cheese, them not even get to pull it.
Friend. No, man, you
No,
messing with
no,
deal with it.
no,
Me deal with it. I'm going
no,
to deal
no,
with it.
no.
Me
Alright,
deal with
the
it.
man
No.
say I'm gonna deal with it. What the
Me go
problem?
deal with it. Why you fight for?
Give me sachets, man. The man say I'm gonna deal with it, so we are
No, you can't come on my shop, come talk to me.
Lady, not do that. Lick me. No, sir. Lick me down.
So you have to
I
go
might
hard
take,
at this
I might take
girl
him on and box you in your face with it. No, lick me now, yeah. Lick me. The man say I'm gonna get the money. What the problem? What the problem?
To fight.
Hey,
Are you
woman,
never come down here now? You
woman
can't
around
never
with
come
me,
talk to me.
yeah.
Come talk to me, no man. And stop follow
Give me
people.
this. Give me this.
Stop follow people, no.
What if that woman I don't go?
Come, no man. Come talk to me, no.
Look, you know me come lip up from the place that we in.
What is for?
I'm gonna rate them vibes, sir. Yo, I'm gonna rate them vibes.
I will pay for the things.
Matter of fact, you man have a statue. Say, come pay for it and make me get it. Give me.
I'm going to pay for it.
Give me, no man.
No, you
Come
man
on,
just
no
relax
share
now.
one stuff.
Relax.
Pay for it.
Sit down.
Just
Go on, baby girl.
All right, just pay
Go on,
for what she said.
Take time walk. I'll come in to check you after, yeah? What is wrong with you? I don't know you as this person. I want to you, man. You make certain things bother you, man. I
You
want
see girl
you.
come on my shop, I chat about me and her friend. Yes, I'm from, but she can't do that. She come, if you hear the attitude where she come with, and I trust she a trust. And on top of that, she a going like she want to fight me.
But I paid that, no mind. Me don't say me
Yes,
go pay for it
you
already.
pay for it.
How much money she have for you?
850, me want it. Me can't owe me
All
such thing.
right. Are you why I come here, you know, my friend? Brandy, just cool, man. All right, see it, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah, that sort it out. Good? All right.
Anyway,
Yes, what is it you want to talk to me?
all right. I want money to borrow from you.
I mean, when you figure out how much is it you want, you come link me and I'm going to come sort it out. I don't have no problem
Here.
doing that.
I'll call you and tell you one spot where I go there. And you come there, come link me. Me head will settle up then time that me can figure out how much I want to borrow from you.
Right.
But you see right now, even though you pay me, I'm not on the good side, you know. I'm on the wrong side, you know. But thank you still. Because you see, if you never give me that money, they will that girl they take me things them and they try to go with it for free. Did I hear out here today? Are you safe, you know?
But I watch that, man. Anyways, you why I'm coming here? I'm coming for all our vibes. So give me regular and I'm going to have a drink and eat myself.
Alright. Come now.
Well, cool, you know.
Yeah, come.
I have to come catch Brandy from fighting. Father God. All right, you say there.
Taxi me away, pan. The woman is too bright. I'm not go back on the shop.
I need food on the taxi, baby girl. Where is it you going?
Me yard, me I go.
I don't have to worry about that, baby girl. I can drop you home.
We drive.
Some car right there or something.
Me know.
Yeah, someone say, what's such a nice girl like you behaving and carrying on like that in a place like this?
I don't my fault. Because I trust something at the lady shop and the lady start doing me certain way. God know why.
Don't worry about it, man.
Me
You know
like
what?
this style.
You see, if you are my girl, you will never beg another day in your life.
Eh?
Yeah. Believe me, no man.
And that you say?
Believe no man.
So give me a money, because I have money for me, you know. Yeah, go on, so.
I'm going to tell you, say, baby girl, me and your man, as your man, you don't have to do another work. You don't have to beg another day in your life.
Me never authorize say I'm a man.
No, but me being your man, then I must the position that I go give you my money. Stop going, some man.
But that's why give me the number to then.
Just give me a phone, no, man.
Shopping at this year.
To you. 2024, you know. I'm a big, respectable person in the place, you know.
So where money there?
Contractor. And so,
Alright then. So what's your name?
me, you can call me Chaz.
Oh, Chaz. What a nice name. So give me money now. 4 taxi off.
Which taxi when I done till you say me I go bring you, baby girl.
Just
Stop
remember.
worry up your thing, man. Come in, man.
Come on then. No.
I like how you look. What is your name?
My name is Brittany.
Brittany.
Yeah, come on.
Brittany with bag of attitude. Ay.
Well, go over there. I like disrespect. Say number go. Public. What you mean by who this? No, Brittany. Look here, me no come to talk about that. Me dey outside, come meet me downstairs. Me know say you over there. Come now, no? Me out here wait. Something important. Alright. Why it take so long to come down? Are you big get that up there?
Nobody will disrespecting, and that's why me
I no disrespect, I just the truth. The data head big.
And that you really come for?
No, no, that me come here for
So why you just go on? You just bring back memories right away.
Nice memories, not true?
Which nice memories?
No,
talk to me, talk
for
to
the
me.
attitude
I'm tired, man. I come from work all day.
You're good? Differently? Look here, me know say me ain't no good or anything, but me just still check up on you. If that's okay.
Thank you very much.
So you're good?
Yes, me say me good. How much time to answer?
You never answer the question, sir.
Jesus Christ, man. Brittany,
anyways, I did up your sister bar today for brandy. And up there sit down, never feel good, want something to eat. Me order one bun from her, one milk, and one sachets. Come up with the money. Me never have no money. Not money, come up with the course to them, right? Me never have no money for me.
So where you go to shop for in the first place? You love chop my sister for?
Me not chop your sister.
I bet say you and she have argument today.
Just calm down now. You're not even to listen. So me tell her, say,
Tell you.
me turn to her and say, you know, say me not have no money though. I trust it. Woman gone up on the high horse. Start to grab back his suit, then me have to pull the bun and pull the milk.
So put yourself in a fair situation. She not trust, you know. I not trust, she trust them from China. You can't go and China shop, go trust.
But look here, me a regular customer.
So
what do you mean by me can't trust?
How regular you go up a fair shop, go spend your money?
Sometime 1 day a week, 2 days a week. Me still a regular customer.
Can you imagine how Brandy feel today and feel embarrassed when you see her come there and
But look here, the hottest thing is, the lady embarrassed me in front of whole heap of somebody. Whole heap of somebody did it. Whole heap.
Yeah, but you sure say, has she embarrassed you or you embarrassed she?
She embarrassed me.
So that really come out, so you come talking about?
No. After one man they come up there, right? And tell her to calm down. Because woman come like she want to lick me down. The man a power when I say calm down, man, me pay for you something them. And she a hold on for the sachet, I say, really just give me something. The man say, I pay for it. So after now, the man pay for the something, I walk off, I go out the road, sit down and I wait for a taxi. Same time, I see the gentleman come out there. And when him start talk, I not tell him I talk about him, but me and him did a talk. You understand? And he said, can you give me a lift or something? And they tell me more about himself. And he start chat about how he have one business and he has some workers, and he start name out. I hear your name in it too.
I want ballad man?
You mean, yes, I want ballad man.
Tell me story.
So you never tell me say then the amount of money they work.
What?
100,000 a week.
And that the man tell you?
And that he tell me.
Say me I get paid 100,000 a week.
100,000 a week. Oh, so you never know say that the amount of money they work.
So that the man really tell you?
But that he tell me that me believe. Because the man come like, I want man with money because I'm not about to talk about my business to you, okay? You're not telling me your business.
So that is the reason why you're here tonight, Brittany.
That's not the reason.
You're here because...
Me may run for your friend there before me meet him, man.
Brittany, and I first me see you, know. A long time you're there, you know.
Yes, but...
But what? If I never money call, you wouldn't be in my yard right now.
So
you understand? You must see you call me worthless man, you know. Remember you said, me not go make it in a life and all these things. Remember them conversations?
Because me did hurt, so me I go say certain things, me take it back.
You ain't hurt?
Me did hurt.
How hurt?
So when you lucky, so me can...
No. Brittany, you
So
already
you deal with me so far?
You already tell me, say, when this year go through
right,
this
at
year
least
gate
give me a next chance. Give me a next chance.
Chance
You
for
won't
what?
hurt my again.
Chance for the what?
Look, you know,
Me talk to you
me
tomorrow.
not really depend on right now. Me really need some money and stuff.
Good.
Just at least give me a next chance.
A next chance?
Yeah. Me stop calling Pitney bigger than just give me a next chance, please.
Brittany, right now, you see, honestly speaking,
Me know say you're a good man, you know, you will give me a next chance, man. Don't worry, me know say you'll give me a next chance. Look here, no, man, look here, you know if you do that. Come here, now, I see a treat, woman, me used to there in the youth.
yeah, we used to. But you're there, man, you have enough for money. And the money, that the liar man, the way you talk to, go beg him money.
Just come here,
Go
now,
beg
man.
him money.
Come here, now.
Angel! Call out the dog, them.
Everything good, yeah, man.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Come in. I have no time, only for time, I say now. Alright. So you see all of this right here, so?
Yeah, bossy.
You see this?
Yes, bossy.
I want to tell you, say, I want a man get a contract and I don't know for whatever reason the man stop take my call, you know. Fool him take man fine. I'm going to give him good money for do this, you know.
You give him good money?
Yeah, man.
I like
good,
much
good
him.
money. You don't need to know that. Good money him get. So here what? Me want your bill that run about this stuff exactly like this. You gotta use them here and deal with it. So all I tool what you need, the right stuff. Good material.
Alright, boss.
Good? Alright. So you understand what you have to do? Build something exactly like this, run this up. And you not pull up a time either. You know?
So, boss, alright. Me understand that, but me I work now for 31 days. See? 31 days.
So you all check that too?
Yeah, me have to check that because, you know, me I work. So we work for 31 days and me have to find my lunch and me have to find my fare and all these things. I mean, nah, I get no pay, boss.
So
how
they
you
don't
work
buy
out?
bull and juice come here.
Bossy, I work for money and bull and juice, I work for, you know. Make it sound like a bull and juice, I work for, bossy. Eh?
Big man, I say no if you appreciate when time and do things soon and nice. You know, say I'm grateful. This is why I don't give work to them people who don't have no education, you know.
No, but you tell me so yesterday you done start me out again. And
Big man.
And then, you know, because you say me late 4 minutes and I feel guilty about the situation.
You're supposed to be guilty because you stop money from going in my pocket.
So that
When
make
you
get
4
money
minutes
today?
late, then that me tell you.
Alright,
But
boss.
today's which day?
Today 31st of the month.
Alright, today last month. Make you get at it. No joke about it. You deserve it. You've been working hard, you deserve it. So you see, as soon as you done build this, make a photo with you. No go round thing.
Alright.
Serious business.
Today.
Today, no joke. You have
Alright,
your tool?
I'm gonna need a hammer.
See hammer, yeah.
Boss, you better me go borrow a hammer from a neighbor's man. This can't work, it's a heavy.
Then why you never did think about that from before?
Boss,
Why is it that you come stress me now about tool seat and then me have to pay you? Me have to give you tool and then pay you on top of it? You know see which by you unfair. You don't see which by you being unfair.
Boss, I don't know what kind of work we have every day, boss.
But me tell you, if you bring tool for every occasion.
You have to go beg one of the neighbor them. Somebody must have sitting over here. Alright,
Big man.
Alright, boss.
Big man,
I get the work done.
use the tool where you have in front of you. And don't give me no excuses, man. Get the work done if you want the money today. Son, I go down. Time I go. And money is time and time is money.
Sister, you might think me talk to you about today? Yeah, me I try so I can force me to come. Come and see him turn up the road. Alright, sister, me I come right now. Sister. You sure it says I work out?
What me say to you? Anything what me tell you, say I saw you go. This a man I know him like me and Miguel.
Tired to go and work like a alley button man, just walk and I get the money. Hmm? And just because I know say it's better if you know say something might come in than there, my yard sit down and know say nothing will come in. That's why I still have to work.
Me prove he said the man a liar.
You sure?
Yes. I mean, know you work you out and don't want to pay on time. So me, I go style him and take off a piece of money off of him. How much money you owe you?
40,000 right now. About
40 who?
$40,000.
Don't worry yourself, my brother. I mean run things, things don't run me. Anything when me tell you, I see him so it go. I see him so it go.
Come in.
He owe you 40 grand and they tell like how he give you. And me take me 2 years and me 2 years them here and
Tell them, man.
say he owe you and don't give you and I style you. Alright.
Alright, it's really and truly.
Here where you go do now. I call him on the phone already. And me tell him to come meet me right here so.
So me can make me come here for them for?
He nah come yet man. He say my bait, so me a time him. Listen to me. Them man they are slouchy man, Them him not even ready yet, but he knows saying if he come check me. Me tell him saying if he come check me right here so. You understand? Because I want a piece of food from him, but me not tell him how much yet. He say yes. And him a come. So here what me want you to do. I want you to go behind this so, the wall. And watch and listen everything what me and him a do. And see if he not give me.
So we can meet her from.
But I talk about that. Remember first time I used to be regular spot here, so we go and chill out and drink and sit. What do you man?
That's true.
Anyway, let me get
Yes.
straight to the point. You know, so me have some important business to sort out.
Right.
Yeah, me go and mob here, To go deal with something. When me come back, me can talk to you about it. But right now, me go need a loan. Right now, me need about 40 grand. Me know say then the money they are chum change to you, man.
I'm going to be honest. When you first call me and say, yeah, look a thing for borrow, I did really concerned because I say, oh, what kind of big money? But then I just 40,000 I want, baby.
Me know say nothing that.
A simple thing that, man.
Me know.
I have contract all over the place, man.
I know. Do you think me don't know? Remember say me a big friend for a long time,
Yeah, man. I don't know the joke. 40,000 is an easy thing that for save through, man. Easy thing.
Me see when you used to send go collect some money for you.
Less than a day, I can match that
Me
out
know
and
you
get
have
a
it.
thing. Yeah, I done put 150 now one pocket already, so yeah. Just hold on to this, you see.
Alright. What? Sure. Thank you, man.
A simple thing that, my
Lift up
friend.
yourself. You know, so we are friends for life. See?
Yeah, man, that's how the thing go,
I
man.
couldn't rely upon nobody else but you. Because I don't know say you have it like that. I know say man like you no broke no tall. Me can rely upon you anytime. Anytime, anything I want. Any amount of money. Right now, I know say if I did want all 1 million, I could have get it. But you, I don't want to borrow so much money and can't give back. I just borrow this from you.
Sure,
See?
what a meal, but we're good.
Yeah.
We're good, man. So you say everything good up by bar there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Up there going, you know?
Not bad, not
Yeah.
bad. That sound like things right, man. I do the work. You don't know me, I put in the work and I get the results.
Alright. So, in case if I nothing, and I go start out, this a thing I go start out and like I want one little thing again to borrow from you, I know I can link you up. Come to think about this now, in my head all my day so I sit, you know, say my brother just running in my mind. What am to you and my brother, am I work good?
Could not ask you a better worker, man.
Eh?
I do the job them, man.
And you pay him good?
Oh, I'm to you, man. If you the man I work good, I can't less than give me money.
And you know,
Half
work
it.
on top?
No, I'm going for.
Okay.
I
You know, say you're a good boss still?
Yeah, man, I want to you, man. Make
Yeah.
sure some workers them get good pay, you know, because I want them to constantly and consistently put out the work and the efforts.
I trust you.
Yeah, man, I that me do it. Yeah, me have a philosophy, you know.
I trust you,
And my
man.
philosophy is if you work hard, you get paid good.
Yes.
That is my
I
philosophy.
believe you. I know say you pay him, alright.
Yeah, man, then that me I tell them, I'm not joke. I'm not a joke thing. The thing is real. You see what I say?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So anyway,
a good
thanks,
settings,
dear.
man. No, I don't have no problem, my friend. You see, because we all in times are going to need a helping hand, you know.
Yeah,
and,
I know.
you know, we don't know where we're going to need it from.
And it is a lucky thing I know you. Else, who else would I call?
That is so true. But you know, and everybody can help out. But thank God me in a position where I can assist.
Yes.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
So, you don't know more while we put in some hard work and you get a little extra and we get a little thing and we use it and, you know, we can have it one side for situations and scenarios like these. And it work out good for we.
Okay.
It work out so good.
All right. So bless up yourself again.
Yeah, man, say a
And
word,
if I
man.
nothing, you give me a call, yeah?
No problem,
All right,
man.
me just
No,
there so wait for one and my bridging them we gone up the road up there, so you know. Indeed what gone up there so gone tie out some goat.
yeah?
Yeah, man.
Goat.
Yeah, you have whole heap of goat and cow and sheep too.
Alright,
Me
alright.
wait for because me and him go a Mobile tomorrow, so
Oi.
we want finalize it with him.
I see a nice little girl down here, so hold on there. Oi.
All right.
Alright.
Little more later.
Yeah, man.
You see that man, you wicked.
Me glad you sit on your ear for yourself. That's why I tell yourself you hide that little spot.
Jesus.
And listen and look on everything we are good on here now, because I can't get any money and find. The man have his money, man, I use you and I work you out.
So me, in
Ali
really,
button.
really get paid then?
Watch ya, the man are getting much money.
No, sir. Never, if me never see it to me here, I wouldn't believe it. I swear
Anyway,
to you. So,
$40,000 me just take off.
40,000.
What you mean? Me tell us if you
Jesus
sit down
Christ,
and look around the corner, watch and listen everything we are good on. Me can't take off any money off of that man. That man they get too much money. A P no one pay, you work you out, Ali button take your turn. You work for nothing. And the man look for me and tell me lie when they pay you.
Boy, sis, me don't know how to
But
thank you.
look how me I go mash him up. Because he not get back this a 40 grand here. Me they tell you that. He not get it back. And me I'll take off more and find him into wicked. You cannot work people so. In a son.
Mm.
And you have your daughter.
Mm.
My niece. You want to go suffer? You're mad, but anyway, you see that 40 grand here when me get?
Thank you very much.
Me I take one little thing out of it still.
Yeah, man, you can
Me
take
not
a
take
thing.
nothing much.
Yeah, man, take a thing out.
See? So here ya. Me go take 15,000 but me not bother.
Alright.
Me go take a 5 grand out of it.
I take 5.
Yeah, I me give you 35.
Yeah, man,
You
thank
alright
you.
with that?
You hear me? Brandy, me tell you what I go on. I 1 month now me I work and not even $1 me get. So this is what you do for me right now. Me don't know how me gonna repay you, but one day me gonna repay you. Cause you always be
I
there
just
for me, Brandy.
5,000 me take out there.
Thank you, man.
And give you 35. So
Yeah.
nobody can tell me like I say, you're alright with you and then you go
No, man, no. Brandy, me not wicked for me to vex about that,
The
Brandy.
man owe you 40 grand and me take off you 40 grand. Me could have take off more and 5 minutes, but because you say that thing owe you that me take.
Exactly. Thank you,
Okay,
yeah.
so this can buy me a drink.
Yeah, man, thank
So
you,
little
thank
more,
you.
you see a man wicked though.
Come on,
You see
man.
him wicked.
I want to finger.
Continue work for him and make him owe you. 100,000 me I take off fine next time, but me not go take this a little
Yes,
bit.
boss.
And more money me will take the next time, so go on.
Yeah, man.
But to me know say you have me needs to take care of. Go on, man.
Come on.
Go on, you want go on. Me don't want the man to go put me here down the road.
That's true.
Go on,
All right,
man.
later. Thanks, yeah.
Hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my pride. I'm just a hard-working man. Bossy better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing. I know me
Yes,
nah
man.
thief. Me I know a little.
This is our next
something
project,
me
Papa.
can work. You better give me something.
You see what I go on and so?
No, boss.
What you mean? Big man, more have to render this, more have to rough cross it and deal with the window jam. Put on the lentil and sort it out and deck this quick and fast.
So all right. So me not see no really material
You
close
mean by
by.
no, you stand up on it, see Sunday.
For render?
What you mean by for render? Are the Sundays for do the work? Big man, if you can't do the work, you tell me, you know. Because you tell me say he's a professional, you know. Jack of all trade, you cannot do it. I'll give it to somebody because you know what people want this work, yeah? Eh? You think a one man want this job, yeah, boy?
All right, boss. All right. Come here. All right. So, she's pretty much
What you worry about? What's yourself?
tool.
Tool. Don't move.
That I see, boss.
Yeah, man. You sieve it through this fine. Can't lose.
Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, how you do, sir?
Yeah man, Chaz, everything, yeah man. Chaz, everything good? Yeah man, everything is alright man.
No, man.
Yes, Chaz.
What go on, boss? Yo, man, go and go to the work. People, man, I want to you.
So, Everything is going fine?
Everything, come to your boss, man. Everything lock, man. You know, see where I do the work, man. Good, man. And the last project, this man come match up, you know. I don't know.
Yeah, man, because the last time I came here, I didn't see you, you know.
No, watch your boss, man. We did end up on the road, go get some more tool because you don't know more tool, make the work easy. And so that me did go up on the road for me. Here, him tell me, say it forward, man. Him tell me.
All right. I'll be passing through later on. I'll check you. I have some extra money to give you too, you know.
All right. Yeah, man. No.
All right, yeah, man.
What I'm to you. You see you? What is wrong with you?
I just reason man for a
Reason with the
second.
man for what? Eh?
So are him in charge of everything?
Mr. Brown and you don't have no business. You have any problems, you talk directly to me.
But boss,
What do you mean by but boss? Listen to me. You and that man don't need to talk. If you see him on one side, walk on the other side. Act like you know in a malice. And me and you are work.
1 month now me at work and me can't say no.
And money is your problem. Since the money is your problem. Hey! Since the money is your problem. Yeah. What? Use that and sort out yourself. And make sure say you went you done the work.
Yeah, man, everything good.
Make you a thing later on.
Everything good, man.
What?
No, man, everything good. I work me come for work.
Work you come for work.
Yeah, man, work me come for work.
Just deal with the work, man. I go and go down the road that's on forward. So, here what? If Mr. Brown forward before me, tell him say, me just left. When me say just left, me mean if him drive up, me just drive off.
All right, bossy. Give thanks,
I
yeah?
just sort out a little thing.
Yeah, man,
A little matter.
yeah, man, give thanks, boss.
Look here though, I want the thing render smooth and I want the wall them piping straight. I mean, I want no stone in the business. All right, deal with it. Blouse and skirt a link, boss. I'm here, boss.
Brandy. Boy, I tell you, God never true. Yo, I don't know how to thank you. Because you know, so I gone back on the same work now, and the man have give me $1,000 said me I talk about money. $1 $1,000. What if you never give me that something there? What am I done do? Bills are pack up and everything I pack up. But my sister, me thank you, yeah? Me thank you. And as me say, just do what you do. And maybe do it again or 2 times. Yeah.
Yes, boss.
All right, sister. You're up on the work, yeah? You don't know how that work will come to, but you're up on the work.
If I work, I work. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my grind. I'm just a hard-working man. Boss, you better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing. I know me nah thief, me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday I come and me want cook mutton. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, me have my plan. I'm just a hard-working man. No thief, me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Be me cause me have my plan. Nobody give me peace. Please don't diss me. Because me never do the work.